Good morning to all, and I welcome to yet another video wherein I'm going to showcase to you as to how to proceed further and save the entire code and the graph that has come as an output in the PDF format or the other formats also. I'm continuing with the same example which has been started off in the earlier videos, and here in them, I have showcased to you how to go ahead with the title, giving a title to the graph, how to give the x and y labels, how to plot and format the line colors and line type also. And lastly but not the least, now I need to showcase to you as to how to save in PDF format. Now it's not necessary it has to be in PDF format only. You can do it for JPG, PNG formats also. And I'm talking about the graph that is presented, and it would be saved in your folder wherever Python is going ahead and saving. It recognizes from background, and it saves it also. So the simple coding would be plt, that is my package dot save fig, that is the figure or the graph you can say. And in it you can give the name also for it, for example time versus distance dot PDF, comma format equals to PDF. Now because I want it in PDF format. In case you don't want in PDF, you are looking forward for JPG format, just go ahead and save it in the form of time versus distance JPG, or format would be JPG kind of a thing, and run the code. You will see the output, and at the back in the separate folder which I'll be showcasing to you in another video as to how the JPG or the PDF format looks like. So it's a very simple coding. Why I'm taking going ahead and taking this opportunity to show it to you as a separate video of mine, reason is just a single line code. However, it is not very difficult one. The moment you start doing it, your fingers are also understanding that yes, this is what the code would be like for me, and this is how I'm supposed to go ahead and do it. And later on you can do your own experiments with the coding also. So that is what my intention was in this particular video. So let me come up with yet another one. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.